I don't know what I was thinking when I decided to make this chocolate cake while my toddler was still awake. But despite her distractions, I still made this chocolate cake in under 15 minutes. Yes, I kid you not. Stay with me and let's do this. So I have here my bowl, which I'm going to use to mix all my ingredients. Okay. Bear in mind, my ingredients are on my countertop. I had not measured them, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to just measure while the video keeps playing. So here I've added my melted margarine. I'm going to go in with unsweetened cocoa powder. So one thing I always insist on using is the bitter, unadulterated cocoa powder. Okay, if you use that for your chocolate cakes, you're going to enjoy it so much. So I'm going to be measuring that also into my bowl. Oh, and before you think that the 15 minutes is a scam, look at the clock. Yes, we started at 8:16. This is 8:16 p.m. Please don't come for me. I was just craving something, okay? So just check when the video ends to see what time it is, despite my distractions, like I said, okay? So I'm going ahead to mix these ingredients together for now. And then as you can see, it's looking like wet sand. Okay, we are going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. Next, I'm going in with some sugar. So like I said, I have not pre-measured or previously measured the ingredients. Okay, so that's why you see that I keep using the measuring spoon to take the ingredients in one after the other. Okay, I'm also going to add some milk. First of all, the measurements will be in the description box. So once you're done watching the video, just check it out. If you want to triple the recipe or whatever, just do that. I made this cake for myself only. So it's not a big one, it's a very small cake. Okay. So however you want to tweak the recipe is up to you. I beg, are we still checking the time? We started at 8:16. It's now 8:19. Honestly, we are almost done with this cake. Okay. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Yasmi, and this is my kitchen taste and bloom. You're welcome to subscribe and join this amazing blooming family because I guarantee you're going to love it here, okay? So it's now time to add our last two ingredients. So I'm going to go in with some flour and baking powder. So don't be like me, okay? Sift all your dry ingredients before you make this recipe. Not like mine was lumpy or anything like that, okay? I just wish I had done that so that mixing would be much easier and I will not have to do it for a longer time. Okay. When you sift the ingredients, it introduces some air in there and, of course, makes your cake more fluffy. But whatever I did, the cake still turned out fluffy anyway. Okay. So once I mix everything together beautifully, we're going to go ahead and make this cake. Wait, I just realized I did not tell you guys that we are not going to be using our oven to bake this cake. Yes, that is the catch. I mean, you can use your oven, but for this video, I'm going to make it as simple as possible and hopefully everybody can make it okay. I'm going to mix this beautifully and then I'll show you where this cake goes. It's 8:22, 6 minutes into the mixing process, okay, or the cake process. We are still in time. I said 15, right? Yes. So I used the whisk because I didn't set my ingredients, so I thought it was a bit lumpy. But I mean, I realized it was cool, so I went ahead and then baked my cake. So this cake is going to go into my microwave for 2 minutes. So the thing is that every microwave is different. So I would advise that you do 1 minute first, and then when you check up on it and you see that it's still not done, you do probably another 30 seconds. You don't want to over bake this, okay, or else you're not going to enjoy it. We want this to be a very moist chocolate cake. So I'm just tidying my bowl, and then this will go into my microwave. And when it's out, whoosh. See, I had some ice cream in the freezer. That's why I was making this cake. Okay, yes. When it was done, baby girl didn't want to sleep. I was like, okay, fine. Let me just make this pretty and then come and show you guys how decadent this chocolate cake, no oven chocolate cake, no eggs chocolate cake turned out. Yes, it was so good, so moist. Mm. And it had this rich chocolatey flavor from the unprocessed or unsweetened cocoa powder, which I highly recommend. Okay, so I hope you tried this recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up on it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Oh, it's 8:36 according to my timer. Yes, because of the extra plating I did. Okay, but trust me, this is under 15 minutes. Even though I know I nailed this recipe, let me know what you think in the comment section. Also, share this video on your way out. And until we meet again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.